There are many products available to choose 20 tools everyone should own, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best 20 tools from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Lenox HT50 High-Tension Hacksaw. We love using power saws, but sometimes hand saws are actually the better tool for the task. If you're working with pipe or metal, choose the HT50 from Lenox, which is one of the best hacksaws we've used. It cuts straight, has a good line of sight over the frame to the blade, and transforms into a jab saw for cutting wood and drywall when you attach a reciprocating saw blade. Speaking of blades, you can store 5 12-inch hacksaw blades in the I-beam, so you always have a backup available. Number 2. Ames True Temper 26-inch Dual Tine Poly Leaf Rake. There are several types of leaf rakes. A poly version is best for gathering dry hardwood leaves. This True Temper rake has a 26-inch head for clearing large areas. The dual tine design with curved and extended prongs ensures cleaner strokes for more efficient raking. Number 3. Snow Joe 20-inch Shovelution. This shovel has performed well when we've used it during testing and in a mountain region with frequent heavy snowfalls. The ample 20-inch blade clears wide paths quickly and is also strong and impact-resistant. The secondary handle, with its spring assist design, makes shoveling easier while helping you avoid excess aches and strain. Number 4. Southwire 50-foot 12, 3 SJTW Outdoor Heavy-Duty Extension Cord. Not all extension cords are created equal, and when you are using outdoor power tools or other energy-demanding machines, you need a cord with a low gauge. This means the cord is built with thicker wires and has a greater capacity for delivering power. This 12-gauge Southwire model has 3 conductors inside, and the end lights up when the power is on. Number 5. DeWalt DC Safety Glasses. No matter what job you're working on, our senior home editor Ryobi has one piece of advice: wear safety glasses. The DeWalt DC safety glasses are available with several lenses, including an anti-fogging design, and have adjustable rubber temples for a secure, comfortable fit. Number 6. Superior Glove Dexterity. Manual labor is tough on the body, including your hands. After using this affordable glove, we can confirm it lives up to its name. The nylon shell and rubberized PVC crinkle finish adhered to the palm and fingertips provided the best dexterity when using a drill, pliers, hammer, and ratchet wrench. Light insulation in the form of a fleece lining staves off the chill on rainy or cool days. Number 7. 3Million's WorkTunes Connect Wireless Hearing Protector. Noisy machinery and loud job sites can be damaging to your hearing. These earmuffs provide the protection you need and the convenient features you want. The Bluetooth connectivity means you can enjoy your favorite podcast or even listen to an instructional walkthrough guide while you work. And thanks to the built-in microphone, you can take phone calls mid-project too. Number 8. DuroMax XP12000EH. With a peak of 12,000 watts, the DuroMax is one of the most powerful portable generators. It has a user-friendly electric start, dual fuel capability so it can run on propane or gas, and individual breakers on the power panel for added safety. Number 9. Ridgid 4-gallon 5-peak HP Portable Wet-Dry Vacuum. Clean up workshop waste, water, and other messes too hefty for your regular vacuum with a shop vacuum. Ridgid is a reliable brand for shop vacs, and this 4-gallon model has a 17 8-inch diameter hose and a 20-foot power cord. Number 10. Milwaukee RedLithium USB 1100L Twist Focus Flashlight. This durable USB rechargeable flashlight lets you adjust the beam focus with a simple twist of the handle. At 1100 lumens, it gives off roughly as much light as a 75-watt light bulb. The waterproof and dustproof design is ready for any job site. If you're seeking a less expensive alternative, the GearLight S1000 LED tactical flashlight set is a decent option. Number 11. Channellock 13-in-1 Ratcheting Screwdriver. Save room in your toolkit or junk drawer without sacrificing performance with a multi-bit screwdriver. Our favorite is Channellock's 13-in-1 ratcheting screwdriver. Choose from slotted, Phillips head, star-shaped, square, and nut-driving tips, and store whichever bits you aren't using in the handle. The ratcheting design delivers 225 inch-pounds of torque, while decreasing the likelihood that you'll strip screws. Number 12. DeWalt 42-inch wrecking bar. Another helpful demolition tool is a pry bar. DeWalt designed this heavy-duty model with 3 nail pullers in addition to the curved end for removing trim and paneling. For more routine prying and scraping jobs, choose the Stanley 12-inch Wonder Bar. Number 13. Husky SAA Metric Long Arm Hex Key Set. An Allen wrench, sometimes known as a hex key, performs more like a screwdriver. It fits into a fastener head instead of around it, like most wrenches. The tool is handy for set screws and ready to assemble furniture. This 26-piece set from Husky includes a range of SAE and metric sizes. Each key is stamped with its size and has a long and short arm, so you can use it in tight spots. Number 14. Milwaukee Cheater Adaptable Pipe Wrench. A pipe wrench is one of those tools that can't pull double duty, but when you need to hold a pipe in fittings, it's the only thing that will work. And using them the right way ensures your investment will last. This Milwaukee model is more convertible than most. You can adjust the handle length for a 10, 18, or 24-inch tool. The longer options provide more leverage and reach but can be limiting in tight areas. Number 15. Tekton 1, 4-inch and 3/8-inch drive 6-point socket and ratchet set. For fastening or loosening nuts and bolts, you need a socket wrench set. This 45-piece Tekton kit includes 1 4-inch and 3 8-inch drives. Use the former for appliance and electronics repair, and the latter for light-duty automotive work and appliance maintenance. The set also has 36 hexagonal sockets in imperial and metric sizes, a ratchet-compatible spinner handle, and an adapter that lets you use the sockets with a power driver. Number 16. Empire True Blue 24-inch Magnetic I-Beam Level. If you're hanging pictures or building almost anything, you need a level. Empire designed this I-beam with durable aircraft aluminum and impact-resistant vials, which the company says are accurate to 0.0005 inches per inch in all working positions. A straight line is all but guaranteed. Number 17. Milwaukee Compact Auto-Lock Tape Measure. The auto-locking feature makes this Milwaukee tape measure easy to operate alone, and its reinforced frame protects the mechanism inside if you drop it or it falls off your work table. Attach it to your person with the steel belt clip for easy access. The 25-foot version should be long enough for most uses, but you can also choose a full 8-meter length or the shorter 16-foot model. Number 18. Bessey 24-inch GearKlamp. Bessey's GearKlamp impressed us so much that it earned. The handle design has an enclosed gear train that delivers as much as 450 pounds of force. Adjusting the lower clamping jaw is easy thanks to a small plastic latch. Number 19. Ryobi 18-volt 1 plus 280 CFM jet fan blower kit. This battery-operated leaf blower is an enhanced version of a previous model that now offers twice the power and significantly increased runtime. Boasting a max air speed of 100 miles per hour and a claimed 280 cubic feet per minute, it moves leaves in a flash for quicker collecting sessions. If you prefer a gas-powered option, we recommend the Husqvarna 125 billions that delivers impressive results. Number 20. Husqvarna 440. One of the most impressive features of this 18-inch gas chainsaw is its X-Torque engine, which offers cost-saving fuel efficiency while delivering a powerful performance. This tool's versatility and broad capabilities mean it can handle trees and jobs of almost any size, and it will keep going strong until the work is done. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.